All right, my people, welcome back to Hispanic Heritage Month. And today's daily special is Conjunto music. Once again, Tejano Conjunto music. So I want to talk to you a little bit about where our style came from. So German immigrants came to Texas a long time ago and brought their accordions with them. And they introduced the accordions to Texas Mexicans, and we made it our own. We added buttons to the other side of the accordion to add some bass. And we also started playing our own style of German polkas, along with other styles of music as well. Every year in San Antonio, there is a Conjunto Festival, except for this year. And there's also a big squeeze accordion contest and concert in Austin, Texas every year. There are 3 grand prizes in polka, Cajun, Zydeco, and Conjunto accordion traditional competitions. So I want to show you a different style of Mexican music and Tejano, Conjunto, Texas, Mexican music, Texican, whatever you want to call us. We're all kind of mixed up. And they're called the Huapangos. So this is a band of sisters. They're actually from Houston, and they're called Las Phoenix. And they are playing a song called When the Beans Dance. So this is pretty fast, and to dance to this you have to dance pretty fast. It's kind of like a Spanish Cotton Eye Joe. So think about beans dancing. They're heating up and they're dancing and jumping all over the place. That's kind of a huapango. Now, a cumbia is a style of music that actually comes from Colombia. And once again, Texas Mexicans made it their own. So here's a band. Their name is Conjunto Baraja de Oro, and they're actually a family band. The dad plays the accordion, the mom sings along conjunto, like with the dad, and the son plays the bajo sexto, the daughter plays the bass, and then their cousin plays the drums. So this is a cumbia. There's a lot of hip action. You move your hips a lot. This is another type of cumbia. Brother and sister there. It's pretty cool. So, I hope you enjoyed your daily dose of my Hispanic heritage, and I hope you all have a great day. Viva mi gente!